YouTube, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Little update video on the project bike. Put it back together after doing the synchronization on the carbs, and listen to this. Boom! Bike is running so smooth. So I'm pretty excited about that. Clutch is still slipping, so next video I'm going to film, I'm going to do it today, is I'm going to replace the clutch plates so I can ride this thing. I'm going to go down, fill it with gas, put some gas treatment in the tank, run a full tank of that through there, try to get some of the carbon loosened up and blown out of that exhaust valve on number 3. I did a temperature sensor on all 4 cylinders. They're all running even and nice. So everything's moving forward good. Once I get this running, I'll go out to a vlog. I'll tell you everything else that I have planned to do on this, all the parts I've ordered. Going a lot smoother than I thought. I'm going to save about $1,000 in parts here. Awesomeness. Alright, so remember, laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.